Before we begin today's lesson, let me introduce myself. My name is Gusti Kadek Reijugni. Today we are going to learn about mathematical logic. Have you ever heard someone say some things that sound true, but you are not really sure if it is correct? For example, all students like mathematics. Do you think that statement is always true? Okay, not always. Actually, in mathematics, we learn how to think clearly and logically. That is why today we will study mathematical logic. Okay, everyone, look at the screen. Mathematical logic is a branch of mathematics that studies correct and systematic thinking. It helps us draw conclusions, prove statements, and analyze arguments. Mathematical logic is important not only in mathematics, but also in computer science, programming, and everyday problem solving. Now, let's learn about statement or proposition. A statement is a sentence that has a truth value. The truth value can only be true or false. Look at this example. 2 plus 2 equals 4. This is true or false? Okay, is it true? That's correct. How about 5 is an even number? Okay, this is a false. Very good. So both of them are statements because they have clear truth values. Now look at these sentences. Have you eaten? Close the door. Are they statements? Okay, that's correct. They are not statements because they do not have truth value. One is question and the other is a command. Next, we will learn about logical operations. There are five main types: negation, conjunction, disjunctions, implication, biconditional. Please write them in your book. First, let's learn about negation. Negation means the opposite of a statement. Look at the example. P is raining, not P is not raining. If P is true, then not P is false. If P is false, then not P is true. Now, let's continue with conjunction. Conjunction combines two statements using the word and. The symbol is this symbol is read as P and K. For example, P is I study, K is I do homework. So, I study and do homework. This statement is true only if both statements are true. If one of them is false, the result becomes false. Next is disjunction. Disjunction combines statements using the word or. The symbol is P or key. For example, P is I go to campus, key is I stay at home. So, I go to campus or stay at home. This statement is false only if both statements are false. Now, we move to implication. Implication use the phrase if, then. The symbol is if P, then Q. For example, P is it rain. Q is the road is wet. So, if it rains, the road is wet. This implication is false only when P is true and Q is false. Next is biconditional. Biconditionals mean if and only if. The symbol is V, if, and only if key. For example, a number is even if and only if is divisible by 2. This statement is true when both statements have the same truth values. Now we will learn about truth tables. The truth tables help us determine whether a logical statement is true or false. Is so all possible true false. What do you think truth tables are important? Yes, to check whether a statement is correct. Excellent answer. Now we have three important concepts. A tautology is a statement that is always true. Example, fee or not fee. No matter what happens, this statement is always true. A contradiction is a statement that is always false. P and not P. This statement can never be true. A contingency is a statement that is sometimes true and sometimes false. It depends on the truth values of the statements. Two statements are logically equivalent if they have the same truth table. Look at this example. This is called the Morgan laws. Note open parenthesis V and key close parenthesis is logically equivalent to not P or not key. Next, we will learn about quantifiers. Quantifiers are used in more advanced logic. They are two types. Universal quantifiers, existential quantifiers. The symbol is it's mean for all. For example, this means for all number x squared is greater than or example or equal to 0. This symbol it means 3 exists, there exists. So for example, this means there exists an x such that x plus 2 equals 5. Alright everyone, today we learn about mathematical logic, statements, logical operation, truth tables, tautology, contradiction, contingency, logical equivalence, and quantifiers. Mathematical logic helps us think clearly and systematically. Is it very useful in mathematics, technology, and everyday life? Before we finish, I want to ask one last question. What is the difference between conjunction and disjunction? That's right. Conjunction use and while disjunction use or. Excellent answer. Thank you for your attention today. Keep practicing logical thinking and see you in the next lesson.
Excuse me, you're standing in the way. Oh, in the way of what? I can't see what I'm painting.